So let's talk about 6B. And this question, it says, what measurement device should you use if you're trying to measure out 4.25 milliliters of a liquid? Now, here, the key is the fact that we're going to the hundredths place, which means that we know the tenths and we're estimating the next spot over. So we need a set of increments that are confident through the tenths place and are estimating the hundredths place. Now, remember when we say confident, that means that the increments that are listed on the device go by that amount. So with that in mind, let's look at our first one. And a 25 milliliter graduated cylinder that has the increments of 5 milliliters. Nope, these increments are too big. So for this one, we would be estimating to the ones place. Then our next one, a 5 milliliter graduated cylinder that has the increments of 0.01 milliliters. Well, if it knows this far, that means that we're estimating the next spot, which is a thousandths. So that's actually a spot too far. Then our next one, a 10 milliliter graduated cylinder that has the increments of 1 milliliter. Well, if it's 1, that means that we're estimating the next spot over. So the tenths, or the first spot after a decimal place. And then finally, our last one, a 10 milliliter graduated cylinder that has increments of 0.1. Now remember, if we know whether we have the increments of 0.1s, that means we're estimating the next spot, which would be the hundredths. And as it turns out, for this one, that would be exactly right. We would be looking for the hundredths place. So our correct answer is D.